Okay, so you've probably heard all this buzz about AI art and AI video. Maybe you thought that sounds super complicated, or I'm not a tech wizard, I can't do that. Well, I'm here to tell you that you absolutely can. Imagine having a Hollywood-level special effects studio right on your laptop. Instead of needing a huge team and a massive budget, all you need is an idea. That's exactly what Runway ML is. It's an incredibly powerful, browser-based creative suite that uses artificial intelligence to help you make amazing content. It's designed for everyone: artists, filmmakers, marketers, or just someone like you who wants to create something cool for social media. It's seriously a game changer. Think of it like this. Runway ML is your creative co-pilot. You give it simple instructions, like a sentence or an image, and it brings your vision to life. Before tools like this, creating a short animated video clip could take days of specialized work. Let's start with the feature that will absolutely blow your mind: text to video. This is exactly what it sounds like. You type a descriptive sentence, called a prompt, and Runway's AI generates a brand new video clip based on your words. The key to getting great results is being descriptive. Instead of just typing car driving, try something more specific and cinematic. For example, a vintage red convertible driving along a coastal highway at sunset, cinematic lighting drone shot, the car, the location, the time of day, and even the camera angle. See how much more visual that is? Once you enter your prompt, you just hit the generate button and wait a minute or two. The AI will then present you with a short video clip. It is seriously that simple. The first time you see your words turned into a moving image, it feels like pure magic. You can experiment with different styles in your prompt too, in the style of an anime film, shot on 35mm film, or hyper-realistic. Don't worry if your first few attempts aren't perfect. Prompting is a skill you develop over time, and half the fun is seeing what the AI comes up with. While the video generation tools are definitely the main event, Runway is packed with other AI magic tools that are super useful for all kinds of creative projects. One of my favorites is text-to-image. Just like text-to-video, you type a prompt, and the AI generates a high-quality image from scratch. This is perfect for creating concept art, social media graphics, or just visualizing an idea quickly. If you need a custom image for a blog post or a presentation, you can generate one in seconds instead of spending hours searching through stock photo websites. It's a huge time saver and lets you create visuals that are perfectly tailored to your needs. Another incredibly practical tool is Inpainting, which feels like something out of a sci-fi movie. Have you ever shot the perfect video, but there's something in the background you wish wasn't there, like a random person walking by or a distracting power line? With Inpainting, you can just draw a mask over the object you want to remove, and Runway's AI will magically erase it from the video, filling in the background as if it was never there. This is a professional-level visual effects technique that used to require expensive software and a lot of manual work, but now you can do it with just a few clicks. So you're ready to dive in? Getting started with Runway is super easy, and best of all, free. Go to their website, sign up with your email, and you're in. Free plan is a great way to explore without commitment. When you sign up, you get a starting batch of credits. Credits are the currency of Runway. You spend them whenever you generate something. Video clip image. Other AI tools. A few seconds of video will cost credits. They deduct as you go. Simple. Pay for what you use. Free plan gives enough credits to experiment. Try text to video. Generate a few images. Remove a background or two. Great for learning what the AI can do. But be realistic about limits. Free credits are a one-time grant. Sometimes Runway offers ways to earn more. Free exports include a small Runway watermark. One of the most exciting things about Runway is that it's not a static platform. It's constantly evolving at an incredible pace. Always evolving. The world of generative AI is moving so fast, and Runway is at the forefront, pushing boundaries. They are always training new models and rolling out updated features. This makes the platform you use today even more powerful a few months from now. Like a subscription to the future of creative tech, Runway keeps improving its core generation models. Gen 4 Turbo, more realism and consistency in video. Aleph models, better understanding of complex prompts and more cinematic motion. Your videos get more polished and professional over time. Staying up to date with new features is part of the fun. Runway also has a vibrant, supportive community. Join the Discord server. Follow Runway on social media. See what others are making. Share your work and get inspiration. Ask questions and get feedback on your prompts. Learn new techniques from other users.